is the most popular Halloween candy in the US?
Snickers.
It is a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. What is the most popular Halloween candy in the US?
I'm gonna say Kit Kats.
It is a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. What is the most popular Halloween costume in 2025?
Preppy Cowgirls.
It is Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters. It's the most popular Halloween costume in 2025.
That's a good question. I'm gonna say a witch, please, Lord.
It is Rumi from K-pop Demon Hunters.
Three colors in candy corn.
Yellow, white, and orange.
What are the three colors in candy corn?
Orange, yellow, and white.
And what is the most popular horror movie?
American Psycho.
It is it. And what is the most popular horror movie?
I'd say the most popular horror movie is the Conjuring series.
It is it.
Is it?
What state grows the most pumpkins?
Ohio. No. Florida. It's got to be New York.
Illinois.
Illinois.